Hello, thanks for watching. So in this video, I'm going to talk about special bonuses that are being offered with Traffic Ad Bar, and a lot of members of my team have been offered this platform. You can join this for free, and some of you who are members would have gotten this email. It says, you can get just by signing up and just by logging in right now, they'll give you 1,000 bonus points. Okay, and you're also going to be able to have a way of installing the free Google Chrome Google extension, or if you're on Firefox, you'll be able to install the Firefox extension, and they'll give you points just by logging in every day and surfing your ad. But they'll give you extra points if you have this Google Chrome installed. Um, this they often offer this at the beginning of each month. These are extra bonus points that you're going to be able to get access to. What does that mean? What do bonus points mean? It means you're going to get extra traffic, and a lot of extra traffic. This is a free to join platform, and I've been involved in this platform since 2011, and I use this all the time. It gives me an opportunity to drive quality hits, quality views, quality traffic, and even signups to my online business. Yes, I'm going to prove to you that even with Live Good, I have gotten upgrades using this platform. And it's an easy platform. It's no brainer. You don't have to post anything except, obviously you have to set it up in the first place by simply copy and pasting your URL and adding it into the system. Once you've done that, you only do it once. And then all you do on a daily basis is just to simply view other people's ads for about 10 minutes or less every single day. And you're going to be able to earn points. That's why I call a traffic exchange, because you exchange the views. Okay, you view other people's ads, other people you view your ads. Okay, and in exchange, you are going to get views on your websites. Now, a lot of people think that this is just incentivized advertising, but it works. All right, and as I'll prove to you, it does work, because the 100% of the people who are on this platform, they are also in business opportunities. Yes, they get to see a lot of business opportunities, but if you join me with LeadsLeap and you get set up with the LeadsLeap share codes, so we've got some great funnels and share codes that you'll get access to. I'll put those below in the description so that you have a done for you funnel that's eye catching, and that's what's important on these traffic exchanges. Once you get your website here that's eye catching, people are going to be more likely to check out what it is you have on offer. Okay, but I get results with this platform, absolutely. I've been on this platform for a while, and just to share with you guys that even by referring a lot of people, you get to make money as well with this platform. As you can see, I'm number 12 on the leaderboard in the entire company of referring people to this platform. Guys, it's such a simple platform. There are ways that you can leverage up your results. That's what I like about this traffic exchange compared to other traffic exchanges, because your efforts, people think that traffic exchanges are tedious and boring. Yes, but if you, it's like brushing your teeth. If you wake up in the morning, you do 10 minutes on this. And the good thing about this platform compared to other traffic exchanges is that your efforts are not put to bad use. You are leveraging up your efforts because they have a very unique feature, which is called the level ladder. And as you earn points, you gradually build up the level ladder. And the higher you are on the level ladder, and trust me, there's thousands of people who are passionate about this, and that's good for you, because the more people on this platform, and trust me, there are absolutely tens of hundreds of thousands, I don't know, tens of hundreds of thousands, maybe more, who are potentially going to be viewing your ads. And the higher you get on the level ladder, more of those people will be served to you, so that you get more eyeballs on your offers. So my advice is just focus on this platform by giving free value, or just keep it generic. And once they're on the inside, they get on your mailing list, and you start to nurture them and follow up with them. So it's such a simple thing. All you do is to click here, okay, and then start viewing people's ads, okay. You just go through, you just watch someone's ads. You don't have to think anything. It's just a countdown timer. You watch until the countdown timer hits 0. Okay, and then here I've got 120 points, and then I just click on another ad. Don't even think about what ad you're clicking on. Just click the ads, and view the websites. Okay, that's it. And this page didn't load, but it doesn't matter to you. You'll still earn points. But trust me, guys, you'll get a lot of people who are viewing your ads. Okay, I would highly advise upgrading to an upgraded member. I'm platinum, and that means I'm really scaling up, and I get a lot of views on my on my websites. So let me just go to Live Good here, and if I go to statistics, and I'll show you. If I go down here, where is it? Okay, so for example, where is it? This one, traffic ad bar. Okay, that's the source code I tracked, and as you can see up here, it's pre-enrollees and upgrades. Okay, so traffic ad bar. Where was I? Okay, there it is. 11 hits, 1 pre-enrollee, and in fact, I would have gotten two pre-enrollees, but one of them converted into a sign up. So that's that one. Again, traffic ad bar here. Got some hits, obviously, and then one of them again, 2 of them converted, one of them upgraded. Okay, so there's probably more if I check, but basically, yeah, that's just to prove to you right there that I got 2 signups with traffic ad bar. So at the end of the day, it works. All right, so get to work. 10 minutes a day is all it takes. Do it every day. My advice is to upgrade so that you can scale this up. But the purpose is to earn points. And by earning points, you gradually work your way up the level ladder. So don't give up on this. It'll be a waste. That'll be a waste. So, your efforts are put to good use, and you do leverage this up, and you get up the level ladder. And by the higher you get up the level ladder, the more views you'll get eventually. You'll get more points, but they'll be converted into views. The other ways you can do it is you can put ads onto your blog post on your blog, and then you'll be or you can put your ads on your various funnels and landing pages. So every time a hit comes to your landing page, you'll earn 15 points, that kind of thing. So and also when you refer people, there are a number of ways. Go into here, go into the advertising, go into the help section, and it'll tell you all you need to learn about how you can earn more points, how how do you earn commissions, how do you earn points, etc. And there are different ways that you can do it. It's a really, really powerful thing. I love it. I like this platform, and it works, and I highly advise getting on board, especially now, because obviously we are getting extra points, extra bonuses as the email came in. So if you didn't get that email, don't worry, but just log in now, because usually at the beginning of the month of each month, they do these various bonuses and benefits. So now's the time to get on board, join for free on the link below, log in. My advice is upgrade so you can make the most of this and start surfing. Okay, you don't have to surf 25 sites. You can surf more. You can surf as many as you like. The more you surf, the more points you earn, and the more hits you'll get to your website. And these are quality hits, and tweak things every now and then. Make sure you get a good website up, tweak it, that kind of thing. I've given you plenty of share codes that you can use. They're all done for you, so they'll help you to get views, and these are eye-catching, so people like to view this. So anyway, I look forward to working with you guys, and get on the link below. Look forward to welcome you on board, and let's get you started. Okay, bye for now. Thanks for watching.